My name is Josh Abel, Used Equipment Territory Manager for Luby Equipment Services. So behind me here, we have our 2025 Takeuchi TB370CR midsize excavator. This unit has got 55 original hours on it, a hydraulic thumb, hydraulic pin grabber coupler, and is going to come with a 24-inch and a 36-inch tooth bucket. This unit is located at our Fenton, Missouri location. Price point on this one is $1,055. This customer decided to trade this unit in because it was going to be a little bit smaller than what his job sites required. He did decide to stick with us and go into a larger machine, TB290. So this machine will work with pretty much any attachment you can think of. The 31 gallon per minute primary circuit is great for running a mulching head or a brush cutter, breakers, augers, shears, any kind of standard operating attachment that would go with it. With every machine that comes in on trade, we perform a complete inspection on it top to bottom. We make sure all fluids, filters are up to spec, all functions work, so this machine is going work ready to a job site. With every machine, we do offer the option to do an extended warranty program on them, ranging everything from powertrain and hydraulics to a full coverage machine. If you have any questions on this unit, please feel free to reach out to us. Again, my name is Josh. This machine is here in Fenton to come by, check it out, test it out, and see what we can do for you.